Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Canva design quality detailed guide step by step clearly. Open the Canva design that you want to fix. Check the current quality of the design. Identify the problem areas affecting the quality. If the canvas size is too small, consider resizing it. To resize, navigate to the top right corner and click on Resize. Choose the appropriate dimensions for your project. If your design contains images, ensure they are of high resolution. Select any image that appears pixelated. Replace it with a high-quality version if needed. If you uploaded the image, re-upload a better resolution. Check the color settings. Dull colors can affect perceived quality. Adjust colors using the filter or adjust options. Ensure text is clear and readable by selecting a bold font. Avoid overly decorative fonts that may hinder readability. If text is blurry, try increasing its size. Review the layout to ensure elements are well spaced. Use the position feature to align objects neatly. If you use illustrations, check their quality and resolution. Enhance them by using Canva's built-in assets if necessary. Make sure that your content doesn't get cut off on the edges. Preview your design to confirm all elements are in place. Download your design in the highest quality available. Select PNG or PDF for the best print resolution. Finally, check the final output to ensure it meets your expectations. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.